Hello everyone, just a quick video. MP3 module that I'm using in all my builds. Just got two more versions with integrated amplifier, so it is easier to connect. Just plug in speakers and power and you are done. First version is 2 times 15 watts and sells for $7. Basic player costs $5, so it is $2 extra. Second one is 2 times 50 watts. It has better remote and price is $20. If you buy this amp separately, it is only $6 and an MP3 player is $5, so $11 together. So you are paying $9 extra. It is up to you. Links to original video and to purchase modules are in the description. Cheers!